Hi TFT team. So one of the frequently asked questions that we get is, what are the rules that I need to follow during my challenge? Let me break it down for you. Detailed explanations of all the rules mentioned can be found within our FAQ section on the website. TFT offers 1-phase, 2-phase, and 3-phase evaluation challenges. All challenges have no time limits. The primary rule remains to achieve the profit target without violating the other objectives. For the standard challenge, traders need to reach a profit target of 10% for phase 1 and 5% for phase 2. The Rapid, the Royal, and the Dragon challenge have a profit target of 8% for phase 1 and 5% for phase 2. The Dragon challenge has a profit target of 5% for phase 3. Additionally, the Knights challenge, which consists of only one phase, requires a 10% profit target. Rule number 2 is to not breach the maximum daily or overall drawdowns. For the standard challenge, it is 5% daily loss and 10% overall loss. Additionally, you have the option to acquire additional drawdown, which gives you 6% daily and 12% overall drawdown. For the Rapid challenge, it is 5% for daily loss and 8% for overall loss. For the Royal challenge, it is 5% for daily loss and 10% for overall loss. For the Dragon challenge, it is 5% for daily loss and 10% for overall loss, with the drawdown type being balance based. The maximum daily drawdown of the Knights challenge is 3%, and the total drawdown is trailing 6% of the account balance. Additionally, you have the option to acquire additional drawdown, which gives you 4% daily and 7% total trailing drawdown. Rule number 3 is minimum trading days. This one is easy. It is 3 days for the standard challenge, 0 days for the Rapid, the Knights, and the Dragon challenge, and 5 days for the Royal challenge. Rule number 4 is weekend holding. It is only allowed for the swing type accounts for standard, Rapid, and Dragon challenges. It is also allowed for all Royal and Knights challenges. Rule number 5 is overnight holding. It is allowed throughout all account types. Rule number 6 is expert advisors. EAs are allowed for Royal, Knights, and Dragon challenges. You can acquire allowance for EAs for the standard challenges, as well as you will be able to use Trade Manager, Magic Keys, and Trade Copiers. Rule number 7 is trading during high impact news. There are no news restrictions during the challenge. Once you are funded, news trading is allowed on all swing type of accounts, as well as the Royal challenge. For the regular standard, Rapid, and Dragon account, as well as Knights account, we have news restrictions for 2 minutes before and after the release of high impact news. You can find all of these events on Forex Factory calendar. And finally, rule number 8 is lot size limitations. I'm happy to announce there are no lot size limitations on any of the challenges. Once you are funded, there will be a lot size limitation on all indices for standard and Rapid accounts. There are no limits for the Royal, Knights, and Dragon funded accounts. Alright guys, I hope this has answered all of your questions regarding TFT rules for the challenges. If you have any additional questions, drop a comment or reach out to support. Happy trading, everyone.